Hello, Affordable Appliance Repair in San Diego. Thank you for your interest in learning more about how you can generate more leads without having to pay ads, because I know ads can get super expensive. My name is Francisco from Amplified Digital Marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it, okay? It'll be a short video. And if you are interested in learning more, go ahead and email me back or text me and we can talk further on how all of the logistics will look like. So diving in right into your website, some of the things I look for is one, content, and do you have any keywords? And basically a keyword is anyone searching online, specifically on Google, for any product or service, okay? So I'm going to jump over to this tab here. And this is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand how well your website's performing. In this case, it's your website, okay? And these are some of the keywords that your website's currently being indexed for. So I'm just going to take San Diego Appliance Repair. This is what is known as a buyer intent keyword, okay? And the reason why is because, one, it has right here appliance repair. So folks that are searching for appliance repair understand that they're looking for your specific services, and that is what you offer, okay? You obviously offer different type of appliances, which is great. And the second thing, San Diego, so that is local. So you know right away that anybody that's typing in San Diego Appliance Repair is within the area. Now, this is an important keyword because about an estimated amount, 400 searches are happening on Google every single month, and that's quite a bit. Okay, now let's take this keyword into Google and see what pops up. And I'm going to take you step by step. So we got San Diego Appliance Repair. Remember, the volume is 400. And this is what we're going to do to help be able to generate more traffic. So one, this is actually a ad, if you will, Google guarantee. There's a process to be verified like this with Google. But nonetheless, when people click on these or message or just click, it's called the cost per click, CPC. They're going to get a charge of that cost per click. Okay. But what I want to refer to is the organic listings. So for example, we got 858 Appliance Repair, San Diego Refrigerator Repair. So these are the type of people or companies, I should say, that are appearing in the top 3 for San Diego Appliance Repair. So the goal is to get you guys in this top section or even in the top 4, top 5, because the majority of these people that are searching for appliance repair in the San Diego area, and if you decide to do like other areas, we can help you be able to be optimized and ensure that you're being searched for in those areas. But in this case, we're sticking to San Diego. These are the type of companies that are popping up on the first page. Okay, so what I'm looking for is Affordable Appliance San Diego, if that's the name of your GMB, your Google My Business. Okay, and I don't see it, but that's why I am talking about the services that we offer. We can help you. Okay, some of the things that can help increase your rankings on the Google My Business page is, one, your reviews, optimize your photos, optimize your content, get some press releases, get some guest posts. There's a lot of things you can do, but that's where we step in to help increase the rankings. Now, you do want to do that type of work month over month, but you are going to start seeing your Google My Business get increased on the rankings, and you're going to be getting those calls, right? You're going to be getting these clicks, and you don't need to pay for this click, okay? Because Google's already organically ranking you for your GMB, and that is the goal. Okay. The last thing I want to show you is the organic listings for your domain or your website. Okay. So we got Yelp. We got also sdappliance.co, right? We got Premier Appliance San Diego. These are the top 3. So the other thing that we can do is your SEO for your website. And that is super crucial because long term, you're going to start getting these calls organically, not needing to pay for ads. Okay, so, and this is just one of your competitors, and they're doing really, really well. So I just don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity to be able to just get more clients organically and have steady jobs lined up throughout the year. Anyway, Francisco from Amplified Digital Marketing. If you guys are interested, please go ahead and email me back. We can talk more. We can set up a time and kind of go over how we can make this happen for you. Or two, no harm, no foul. If you say, you know what, Francisco, great information, I'm not interested at the moment, I can either follow up some other day or, take this information and run with it. Either way, thank you for your time. We'll talk to you soon.